Say hi to everybody. So today, Ariel's changing the spark plugs in a 2015 Jeep Patriot with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. As you can see, she's taking a T30 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, that are holding the coil packs in over the spark plugs. So now that Ari's got all of the fasteners that she removed with that T30 Torx bit, it's a star pattern. She's a star. We're gonna remove these pigtails that run into the coil pack here. So first thing you want to do is remove the safety clip here, this red portion, and you want to disengage it from the coil pack here. And then afterwards, you're going to push down on the button and remove the clip. Perfect. So now that we've got all of the pigtails off of the coil packs, Ari's going to remove all 4 coil packs.
Okay.
Alright, now that you got the coil packs out, you gotta grab your ratchet. You got your ratchet, you got a 3/8 drive ratchet, you got an 11-inch 3/8 drive extension on there, and then you got a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. So we're gonna put that down on our spark plug, and we want to find till it catches. There you go. And now alright, so to replace these stock spark plugs, just want to hand me one, sweetie. We got these NGK iridiums. There's your part number. ZFR 5F1X-11. The factory gap on this should already be about 40 thousandths of an inch. You can check it though with a gap gauge. I've already checked these with a gap gauge. And now we're gonna drop our new spark plugs in there. We've double checked the factory setting on the gap back there is about 40 thousandths of an inch. And now I'm just rubbing a little bit of dielectric around this. It's gonna help make sure no moisture, no crud, no dust, no dirt gets down inside there. Go ahead and drop that down in. Awesome. So now that we've got our spark plugs dropped down back in there and we've hand tightened them, I do not suggest you use a torque wrench. You do not want to risk snapping that or breaking that spark plug off down in that cylinder. You can have a bad day, an expensive day. Now we're going to take these coil packs, put them back in where they came from. Now again, like I said, it doesn't matter which cylinder you put these in, but I just prefer to put them back where they came from. Just drop it.
This way? That way.
Yep, to the right. Hold on. Make it easy for you. Hold on. There. Alright, take your pigtail. You're going to put it back into your coil pack now that you've tightened down all 4 of your fasteners with that T30 Torx bit.
Are you sending this to people?
That's going to snap and engage right there. And then you're going to engage the safety clip. Good to go. Nice!